My name is Jack Marshall, and I live in the Bay Area of Northern California. And I got LeafFilter, I guess, installed about a month ago. And we purchased it back in the late fall, so there's a little bit of a delay before they could come out and install it. But we really like it. It worked really well, and it looks great. I was a little worried because I thought the eaves on our rafters might be sticking out, but the people that installed it painted that, and it looks really good. And the way we found out about LeafFilter is our neighbor had it. And, you know, we have a lot of trees in our neighborhood and we get a lot of leaves, and our gutters were just falling apart. They probably needed to be changed about 10 years ago. But anyway, we decided to go with the LeafFilter because it was new gutters and a filter, just kind of took care of everything. And now it looks like all our leaf problems are gone away. And I would get up on the roof in the past and use an air blower to clean it out. And I don't think my wife wanted me on the roof anymore, which is probably a good idea.